Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. As the holy month begins, I want to extend warm wishes to all my Muslim friends observing the sacred time of fasting. Today marks the first episode of our special Ramadan series. Let's celebrate with some special dishes that hold a deep connection to Ramadan. One such dish is Haleem, a rich and hearty stew made from meat, lentils and pounded wheat. It's a traditional favorite during Ramadan across South Asia and the Middle East. This meal not only nourishes the body but also brings immense comfort after a day of fasting. Haleem is simple with ingredients but demands time and effort to achieve the right consistency. Traditionally it takes between 8 to 12 hours to perfect, but today I'll teach you a quicker method to prepare it without compromising the taste. Namaskaram foodies. Welcome back to brand new episode of Simply Cooked by Prem. We begin our preparation with an overnight soaking of rice, wheat and lentils. Let's take a look at the ingredients required to prepare this dish. For this recipe, we are using half kilograms of mutton. Now let's check out the ingredients that needs to be soaked overnight. 1 cup wheat, pound them into a smaller piece and then soak. Quarter cup of moong dal, quarter cup masoor dal, quarter cup of chana dal, quarter cup of thoor dal, quarter cup of urad dal and quarter cup of Basmati rice. Make sure to wash these thoroughly and soak them overnight. Once we are all set with our soaked ingredients, we will need fried onions. Let's chop 2 large onions into very thin slices. It's crucial they are thin so they cook easily and get an even color. Now it's time to put all these lentils, rice and wheat into the cooker. Add 3 liters of water and salt and cook for 5 whistles. Meanwhile, let's fry the onions. Here we need 1 cup of Desi Ghee to fry the onions. We won't use any oil in this recipe. For flavoring the ghee, let's add 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick and 50 grams of peppercorns. Once the spices start to fizz, add the onions and fry them until they are deep golden brown. Then in the pan, add the mutton. Once the mutton is tempered and the color changes slightly on the outer layer, it's time to add the next set of spices. Let's add chilli paste 1 tablespoon. I'm using approximately around 4 chilies for this. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Let this cook for a couple of minutes. Then add 1 cup of curd. Mix well for another 5 minutes so that the flavor blends evenly into the mutton. Then add 3 cups of water and close the lid. Let this cook in the pressure cooker for 5 whistles. Once it is done, we need to remove the bones and pound the meat into a smooth paste. This will be used later. Once it's ready, let's move on to the next step of blending the meat with the wheat and the lentil mix. In a pan, add half cup of ghee. Once melted, let's fry some onions. These will be used at a later stage of cooking and also for garnishing. I have taken 1 onion here, fry it into golden brown, strain it and keep it aside. So now to this ghee, let's add the wheat and lentil mix. You can either add this after blending it in a blender or we need to blend it using a wooden masher. Keep the flame to medium-low and continuously stir. To this, add the leftover juice from the meat we prepared and bunch of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now let's add the pounded mutton to this and mix it well. Let's keep pounding the mix together consistently. Keep the flame low. This process is time taking. Please continue to mash in between while it's cooking. Mix in the juice of the mutton in between and then add the fried onion to this. Blend it well, add 2 tablespoons of garam masala and add more coriander and mint leaves to it. Mix and occasionally pound and let it cook until the oil separates from the mix. It took 30 to 40 minutes for the oil to get separated. It should be a very thick paste. holding together and not sticking to the pan. That is the consistency we are looking for. Serve it with some coriander and mint leaves, some chopped chilies, and a lemon wedge. You can also add sliced almond to this. Our delicious mutton haleem is ready to be enjoyed. If you do try this recipe, let me know how it turned out. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy cooking.